Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Frances. I make beauty, lifestyle and a whole lot of other videos that you'll definitely be interested in. So please do consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button down below, and also the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So today it's a vlog, and I have not been showing my face doing makeup for a while because of obvious reasons, because you can see the problems. I would say it's really better now, because as at the last time I showed you guys my face, it was having lots of bumps, but now I think I'm dealing with spots. I think it's mostly spots, but this one I refuse to respect itself, and some others. So today I'm going for facial treatments. I haven't gone for one before, okay? I've never gone for anyone before, but I'm happy to go for this one because I know that at the end of this process, all these things will clear. I have strong hope. So I think after the treatments and after the routine things I'm supposed to do, routine facial cleaning and everything I'm supposed to do, this thing will go. That's my hope. That's my hope. Okay guys, I'm going to vlog the process. I hope these people don't tell me they don't vlog it. They should not try me. I'm going to vlog it, and I hope everything goes as planned. And again guys, the sun is hot and I'm wearing a cardigan. It's not really a cardigan, it's just a top, but it's quite thick, and my hair is out. And once my hair is out, I begin to sweat a lot. Like, you see the sweat coming on like this, because of I left it. And then this heat, I can't imagine the heat I'll face today. But then I want to leave my hair out. I never do leave my hair out. Like, my hair is always packed up, it's always in a bun. It's like I never leave it like this, and I'm happy that I left it like this today. I just came out of my comfort zone. So guys, come with me and let's do this, okay?
Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some more. Oh, then gets empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it. See what I see in it, I'm typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up and how sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let go of the rules, cause that's so much fun. Are you loving the feeling it? Touch me, are you in it? Don't say what you're saying, but typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, please let it go. Oh, don't think I did it again. I said a few things that I shouldn't have done. Well, bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. Cause I know.
So I'm back, my people. I don't even know where to even start from, but let me just start from the obvious. So the facials was well, I did it. It was actually very painful and very discomforting, but it was for the best. Okay, I don't know if you can see those heads. I mean, black heads have kind of reduced and they're now red. See this place. So it's kind of a better situation, that if I just apply the products that I'm supposed to apply, it will get better, it will reduce. And then they just rubbed something on my face after the facials, so that's why my face is shiny and all. And again, I don't know, they were now carrying something shocking. I don't know, they were saying it was, she said it was to kill bacteria. It was shocking my face. I wanted to jump out of the bed. Like, I was so shocked. Like, how will I stay? It's shocking. She said it's for bacteria. I was not like, oh my god, oh my god. Next thing, we did the one that she applied mask. The mask had mint on it, so she applied it on my face and cooled my face down. After that, she wiped it and all. So at the end of the whole process, I left. And the thing that I was not comfortable with was that it was like I shouldn't vlog. I wasn't like, I'm not vlogging everything, just clips or something. She was kind of hesitant, but later I had already concluded in my mind I was going to vlog. So whatever she was going to say, I was going to vlog, even if it's a little. Later, I left and met Lagos traffic. My people, if you have a vehicle, please don't take it out. Don't take it out during this period. Like, you will meet traffic. The traffic, it's not funny. It's very, how will I speak it now? There's no movement. People are just stagnant. You're moving small, and the sun is hot. So everything was just getting me tired. Like, if you notice, I've already eaten. See, my lips are shining. I've already eaten. I'm so tired. I just let me come here and tell you guys how it went, and if I'll be repeating it again. Honestly, as I was doing that feature, I told myself I am not repeating this thing again. I am not repeating this experience. But let's see how it goes. Actually, let's just see how it goes. But the pain I felt there is something else. I don't know. You might not. If you're looking at me like this, the camera is not showing, or not the camera. Even if I use a mirror, I don't really see anything. But it's when you come closer, you will see it. And I thank God that it's even better. Because before, when you see me like this or I do like this, you say, what happened? But now it's kind of getting red and it's kind of blending to my skin. So I will keep you guys updated. Hopefully at the end of maybe 2-3 days, the whole acne would have blended into my skin and have gone. I just hope so, because I want to get back to what I used to do, my makeup. Obviously, I have lots of styles in my head, but then I have to come and plead with Nkechi, please come and stay so that we'll do makeup. And she likes pictures, so she will just oblige. So guys, that's what's up. Leave in the comments if you have done facials before and how was your experience. Like, how was your experience? Mine, I would say it was not a funny experience. Honestly, it wasn't. So just leave in the comment section what your experience was, how you felt about it, and if you're going to do it again. Because I heard that they said you're supposed to do facials every month, but with this pain I felt, it's a lie. I'm not trying this thing. Anyways, I might, but I don't think I want to. Anyways guys, I've talked too much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see your comments, and give this video a huge thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe if you have not. Thank you guys so much for watching once more, and I will see you in my next one.